Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I'm gonna do something pretty interesting. I know some of you guys may be laughing at me in this video, but I have a lot of GTX 1060's. One of my first GPUs that I have ever mined with back in like 2017. These cards are about, what, 7 years old now, and I still got them, obviously. These are EVGA GTX 1060 3GB cards, not 6, but the 3GB VRAM variant 1060s here. They are actually for the Win edition cards, but I do have one here that is a, I guess, super clocked version, not a for the Win, but it's the same cooler anyway. And there's no backplate on any of these, and also the fans have never been replaced on these EVGA cards, these 1060s. So that's a testament to EVGA themselves. Their fans are one of the best on the market. AIB brand EVGA is notorious for being reliable and also good quality. So great GPUs. I'm gonna put these 1060s to work. I'm gonna build it into a server case, which I'm gonna be using a Polo miner. I got this during the bull run about 2 years ago. I never really used it, and so one of the biggest reasons why I never used this for mining was because of the PCIe power cabling is coming out from the motherboard and not from the power supply. There's no 6-pin power coming out. It's actually going into the motherboard, which I hate because I've seen a lot of pictures of people that had, like, you know, 3080s, 3070 Ti's in these, and they obviously burn them up, the motherboard part here, because having that much power going through the motherboard, in my opinion, is a terrible idea. But since I'm putting these lower power, you know, GTX 1060s into this Polo miner, I am not too hard pressed that this is gonna melt or anything. It won't. These cards, we're gonna be spec mining a very low power coin. Actually, I'm hoping to mine something that's a very high yield. I'm gonna talk about which coin we'll mine in a second here. I'm not promoted or sponsored by anyone that, you know, I decided to mine, but just to speculate on, yeah, just letting you guys know here, there's 8 pin, actually dual 8-pin PCIe in this Polo miner, but each of these 1060s only require one 8-pin. So I'm gonna get this quickly installed. I'm gonna put a new HIVE OS image on one of these SATA SSDs, and then go to town and see what I can achieve on this Polo miner. I know efficiency wise, you guys are still, I know, scoffing at me like, Red Panda, why are you mining with these 1060s? Well, I have them. I'm also curious to know if these are still working or not after 7 years. Okay, these cards are just amazing. The fans are still good. It's just, yeah, I'm very, how do I say it? It's a very nostalgic thing for me for these GPUs. You know, I've had them for so long. I've mined a lot of coins back in the day, like Ethereum with these in 2017. I'm gonna get these back to work and see if they're still decent. And for anyone that cares about profitability, I'll just show this real quick. So I'm on hashrate.no for a 1060. My power rate here is about 8 cents USD, and according to hashrate.no, Dynex would be the most profitable. Okay, I'm not caring about this though, so at 10 cents, I would be at, so about 8 cents kilowatt hour, I'd be profitable at 10 cents a day mining Dynex on 1060s, which I think is pretty funny. Etika would be next, Ironfish would be next, pretty much breaking even. Okay, and yeah, so I'm not going to mine any of these top coins though that I'm seeing on this list. I'm actually going to be mining a very high yield coin. So it's going to be Novo. Not sponsored, not shilling Novo, but a single 1060 will mine almost 50,000 Novo a day at 41 watts. So I am going to try this on all the 8 GTX 1060s and see what happens. I'm just going to mine and hold and wait for the bull run, see how it goes. It's going to be really low power anyway, so if I had, it says 41 watts here, I'll verify at the wall later. So yeah, any other coin here, it's generally not really a high yield. It's going to be a, you know, 0.04, 0.02 or something like that. Doge Ether, no, I don't want to speculate on that. I'm going to try Novo. just for the heck of it, and accumulate this on the 1060s. Okay, so I'm going to build this whole rig right now. It's going to be really quick. I should just be able to slot them in, plug in the 8-pin, put the case on, HIVE OS installation on there, that's it. Get it mining, and I'll show you guys the numbers right after a word from today's video sponsor. CoinMiningCentral.com. Based in the United Kingdom, Coin Mining Central has been in business for over 5 years as one of the top leading suppliers of crypto mining hardware and cryptocurrency related products with free worldwide shipping. They have competitive pricing and offer secure and tracked delivery for peace of mind. Secure and encrypted payment options using numerous cryptocurrencies and bank wire transfers, account management for your orders, professional customer support, and even bulk ASIC miner deals in which all new miners come with a manufacturer warranty. Check out CoinMiningCentral.com today and use code RPM for $135 USD off each product ordered. Links in the video description below. Okay, they're all installed. This is such a beautiful rig. I love it. I love it. Minus how the PCIe cables are routing through the motherboard. I don't like that, but we're okay. I explained that already. All right, so before I turn this on, I need to figure out how much power I'm currently drawing from the PDU, because I want to see how much power this 1060 rig is going to draw. So we're at 12.5 amps. Okay, at 230 volts. So we'll do the math there later. I'll compare. And now let's turn this thing. Oh, there's a LED screen on here. All right, that's because this is on. Actually, you know what? Let me turn this. I plugged in the cable, and I don't think it turned on. You know what? Let me take another reading. Let me take another reading. I just clicked it off. 12.3. Okay, so no, 12.4. 12.33. I say 12.3 amps at 230 volt. Okay, so we just have to times those numbers and we'll get the wattage comparison there. Okay, now let's turn this thing on, because then we'll get it mining. I haven't seen it in HIVE OS yet, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, look at, oh man, these 1060s have the white LED at the top. So nice. After 7 years, they still work. All the fans are working. Yep, all the fans are working. Yep, oh, love it. Okay, now let's go to HIVE OS. Okay, Control F5 on the keyboard. Let's see if it shows up. Yes, they show up. Okay, just booted up. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1063 gigabyte EVGA Samsung GDDR5 Pascal cards. Ah man, this is so good. This is so nice. Okay, let me update the whole thing, and it should update. Okay, now I am going to mine Novo on these cards. So let me figure out the overclocks for these. Be right back. Okay, we are now mining Novo on these 1060s. 466 mega hash at about 38 to like 40 watts. Okay, here are my overclock settings for anyone that cares. I don't know many people that have 1060s anymore, but this is just general numbers. I took off hashrate.no. I don't have any memory or experience of using core clock offset on 10 series GPUs. So when I saw that, I was like, did we have these core clock offsets when we were mining Ethereum back in 2017? No, we didn't. It was more like just core, no offsetting. It was like 200, 150 core or something, and then the memory we had to boost to like, what, I think 600 max, 800 if you had good memory, to my recollection, when we were mining Ethereum on these 1060s. But now it's yeah, it's it's like this. So pretty cool. Okay, so guys, there it is. 1060s are mining. Now I want to know the power consumption. Okay, so this was with just not the 1060 rig on. Okay, so 29 watts on that PDU. So now let me get the delta. We'll see how much power it's using. Oh man, love it. Nice and cool. Less than 40 watts per card according to HIVE OS, where we're gonna take the delta now. I guess these 4 fans in the front also do take a bit of power as well. But let's see here. Okay, we are at 14 point, just maybe 14 amps. 14.10. It's fluctuating a lot. 14 point, I'm gonna say just 14. Let's keep it simple. 14 amps at 2290, so 230 volt. 230 volt times 14 is 3,222 watts, roughly. So the delta between these two numbers from not having the rig and now having it on mining Novo is 391 watts, roughly, for this 1060 rig. Okay, so if I divide that by, let's just say 8 cards, that means, I guess with the fans and the 4 fans in the front and all that stuff, maybe, you know, each GPU is taking about 40 watts or so. The rest is going to be system. So actually, if I just did like, what, 40 watts times 8, that's going to be 320. So the rest of the system minus 391, maybe 71 watts for the rest of the system, motherboard, you know, PSU efficiency, inefficiency, and the 4 fans. So pretty good. I'm happy about that. That's power that I'm willing to, I guess, lose in a sense, because I'm not doing this for profit. I'm doing this for the yield of mining Novo. So this is, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna keep mining and holding this coin, and we'll see what it does in the future. Okay, looks like there's decent amount of pools for this coin. I am not mining at the top pool. I'm actually mining on Wooly Pooly right now. Okay, second top pool. So it says 437 miners. I'm gonna keep note of that. I'm gonna watch it later, see if you degen miners are gonna join in on me on this coin. And 3.21 terahash and network hash rate 3 terahash. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna watch this, and why not? I'm gonna start accumulating some coin, and actually I'm gonna be doing this on other rigs. Okay, so actually I have a motherboard here. I'm going to make it's one of these guys. These are a riserless it's similar to like a, you know, the server case, but just I'm just gonna have it open air like this. Okay, and then I'm going to, I don't know which GPUs I'm gonna put on it. I need something something low like these 1060s. So I don't think I'm gonna do 580s or 5700s on that riserless board. I could, but I'm gonna leave these for server cases because, you know, they get generally hotter in a sense. So I'll figure that out later. But guys, that's all I want to do in this video. This Polo miner has a nice little LED thing here. That's pretty nice, But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of my 1060 rig here? I think it's cool. Gonna spec mine some coin, get the highest yield, see how that goes down the road. What do you guys think? Let me know down below, or am I wasting my time? Maybe, who knows? We'll see. I'm willing to run this for 400 watts and just let it go. As if we're on the brink of the bull run here, and altcoins like maybe Novo, for instance, could, you know, have a nice price appreciation. Who the heck knows? Doing it for that aspect. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.